Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enter new line in ChatGPT. For that you just have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type chat.openai.com. This will land you on the official website of ChatGPT. Once done, you just have to log in into your account first if you haven't already. Now once you are on this message box, you have to type anything that you want to type. Let's say I want to type hello and then you need to press enter. Now when you press enter, it will automatically take your prompt, but if you want to enter a new line before sending your prompt, then after typing your first prompt, you just have to press shift and then you need to press enter. Now you can press enter as many times as you want. If you want to come back to the previous line, then you will have to press the backspace, and this way you will be able to easily enter a new line in ChatGPT. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.